What up, squad?
Squad.
We are here in Shanghai. This is our hotel. It's pretty big. And today we're going to Disneyland.
Yes,
because of you.
Because of my father. Thanks, Pops.
Thanks, Pops.
That's 5 for you.
Free tickets to Disneyland.
Yeah.
We've gotten advance notice that there's no one there. Shanghai Disney is, I believe, the largest Disneyland in the world. It's not Disney World, which is still bigger, I think. Neil, you been there before?
A few times.
Is it good?
Nice. Yeah. Except when it's crowded, but it's not crowded. It's supposed to be good.
So let's go. Meow, 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 meow.
列车终点站杭州。The terminal station is Hangzhou.
The Disney magic begins right here, man. Look. Oh. Hey, you wanna do that, dude? You and me?
Easily.
Yeah. Well, I hold you or you hold me? Okay, here we go. Here we go. This Mickey looks like he's been having a good day. You know what I mean? Oh. That's what I'm talking about. Same thing. Different country. We came here for Disneyland, but also so we could eat some Shanghai Disney treats, boys. Wow. Seaweed. 你好。你好。还有两个。这个
Bing. Translate that for the fans.
I wanted to buy one of that and 2 of that because I couldn't say the exact names because my Chinese isn't good enough.
Disneying so hard right now, man, dude.
Disney boy.
Not even, dude. The Disney boys coming in.
Disney boys coming in hot, pizza my heart.
Pizza my heart. Rapid
dude.
pizza my heart in
Dude,
China.
Hit every single ride already. Fast pass on
Really?
fast pass on fast pass.
What's your favorite? I heard
Winnie the Pooh, dude.
popcorn.
Really?
No?
Never do that.
Oh, throw it away! Holy crap, look at this thing.
Yeah, dude.
You like harness in and it's like you go into the obstacle course.
They just let you do that here?
Let's go, baby. Join the underwater squad. Oh, you're looking to be alive.
I know, dude. Oh, sniped you.
Hey. Dude, it's your boy.
We're the same dude. We're the same dude.
What is this corn dog, Jimmy? What's a hairy corn dog?
He's already waving his credit card around. It's an adventure aisle corn dog, not a hairy corn dog, dude. Come on.
Get down tonight. It's exactly how the audio would taste like.
Scott, like, what do you mean?
Yeah, hairy corn dog.
It's literally a hairy corn
There's no
dog.
hairy corn dog.
Oh, from the side.
I got a lot of hair. It's a hairy corn dog. This is just the waiting room for the show. It's insane. Yo ho! Yo ho!
Oh, dude, caramel bits and drizzle on top. I've been smelling this all day. Like,
Oh yeah. Oh god.
all right, Goofy, what are you looking at, man? Pluto. They see, I don't.
Well, they're just looking at each other.
Yeah, they're looking at. Oh, because they love each other.
Oh.
It's Disneyland.
Yay.
Wait. There's multiple resorts. Which one's the happiest?
They're all simultaneously shared the happiest.
But they're like profit sharing. Like
Every time they make a new Disneyland, each other gets a little less happy. No, this is the saddest thing I've ever seen at Disneyland.
Does the shoe fit, Jimmy?
Will you marry me?
Oh. No. You're not Cinderella.
Game of Bones?
Game of Bones.
Wait, hold up. I gotta get a Mickey pretzel
I'll
though.
get a churro.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Tastes exactly like a churro in America. Good stuff.
Mustard flavored.
Dude, that's like when I have a stomach flu.
I don't know, but I want to dip in now.
Sunset, boys. Oh my god, it's my favorite Chinese dessert. Look at the freaking
The rice.
the carrots! Thank you. Yeah. These are my favorite Chinese dessert. It's called it's like egg tart.
Choo choo. Chugga. Full boy production. Ew.
Oh boy, I forgot.
Yeah, I'll take some.
Tomorrowland! Yo, we're going Buzz Lightyear! Buzz Lightyear! Coming, Buzz! Oh my god, they're speaking Chinese! We gotta start popping some lasers off! Dropped it in his eye, dude! Oh! Whoa! 1.08. Dude, look how focused I am, dude. Dude, Jerome's looking like he's having such a good time. Amazing. Tron.
Ride this ride.
That was the single coolest ride I've ever taken in my life. Run it back, run it back, run it back. Post-game interview, post-game.
Okay, run it back, run it back.
When Shanghai Disneyland needs to clean, they get to work. Castle at night is so pretty. What? What? What?
All right. What you got here, man?
Got some buns. Whoa! Look at this.
How are you holding that?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Well, there's a Mickey on top, dude.
What? Of course I'm making on top.
I mean, I didn't know that.
She doesn't look very happy about it. Just kidding. You love it. No, what? Mickey's Market Cafe. Look at these options. So there's different kitchens. You got one here, one here, one here, and one here. This one has like dumplings. This thing literally has something called the Beast Feast. Yeah, what is this? Chinese pork belly rice with a little Mickey up in here. Some Alaska. Look at this egg, dude. Mickey egg. Has a freaking nose on it.
And ear dimpling.
And ear dimples.
Is that just ramen?
No, it's like a seafood soup.
What is that? Squid?
Yeah, we just ate it. What a question.
Focus on this.
You tell your camera focus on this.
It knows. Oh, it's so good. For the table.
Woo!
Boom! Boom!
I just kind of.
Oh, all the way in.
Did you ever do?
Yeah, one left.
1, 2, 3, shoot! Oh, you went for the scissors again? Mind games, dude. They didn't work.
You know, I was like switching my hand. I was like,
It's yours.
nom nom nom.
Successful trip to Disneyland. We ate a lot of food, but that was a really fun food venture. We hope you guys enjoyed the food venture as well as all of the other, Disney things. Hey, China's pretty cool. I'm digging it so far. Shanghai Disney though.
One on.
One on? Yeah, that's how you say good night in Chinese, alright? Learn it. One on. Peace! And don't forget to subscribe!